Here's our turmeric health benefits: control type 2 diabetes, liver and cleansing protection, lowers cholesterol level, aids wound healing, reduces and inflammation, relieves arthritis. Reduce the risk of Alzheimer's, migraine relief, boosts immunity, reduce stress, treat acne. For today, we are going to make a turmeric tea. Ayan, mayroon tayong turmeric tea, isang kutsara with calamansi and ginger. Tapos ito yung ating 1 cup water. So, ayan ang gagawin natin. So, just keep on watching. Ayan, just boiled our 1 cup of water. Boiled it. Okay, boiled, and add the turmeric powder. And then add our ginger. Reducing the inflammation, easing a cold of the flu. Add our calamansi. Calamansi juice helps you lose weight and boosts your immune system.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.